This video presents a method for generic body expression recognition, based on synthesis of realistic neutral motion. Our method automatically recognizes the expression of a human 3D skeleton animation in the databases used to evaluate our method. The skeletal movements were captured by different motion capture systems, like the Konik or the Vicon one. They are nowadays easy to use in any kind of applications. From the expressive input movement, a neutral animation is automatically synthesized using the proposed formalism of a neutral movement. The residue between the synthesized neutral motion and the input motion is computed in the frequency domain. From this residue, a classifier learns how to recognize the expression on a subpart of dataset of expressive motions. To evaluate the quality of our approach, the classifier is tested on the second part of the dataset. All this learning phase is repeated several times by mixing the movement dataset. The generation of the neutral animation is based on an optimization. The animation is firstly transposed into a low-dimensional space, with two levels of principal component analysis. The cost function is mainly based on a new term of neutrality, computed with a set of geometric, temporal and frequential descriptors. The last step of the generation improves the position of internal joints by inverse kinematics. On the left, the input animation whose expression is unknown. On the right, our system automatically synthesizes the same gesture but with a neutral expression. More results of our method. From the difference in the frequency domain between the automatically synthesized neutral animation and the input motion containing the expression, our system recognizes the expression class. The first table describes the databases used for the evaluation of our approach. The second table provides the recognition accuracy of our method compared with the state-of-the-art. Except for the UCLIC database, our approach improves the state-of-the-art on all major datasets.